Okay, one of the reasons of doing this today is also to fish out that bikeman, our own version of that bikeman in Ibadan. If a bikeman moved, you know, that shows that in that area they know the value of education. I have never heard of such thing around us. I have never heard that someone went to the schools and then donated this and that. So why don't we do it here and then take it out there? Get those ones who are out of school. You're welcome back to Street Report on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. You know, and this is happening. It is going down. Opinion molding must be done. You know, we have to mold the opinion of our people to get them to understand the importance of these things. We have to talk about it. So you have to call to become part of it. Really, let's talk about it. Let's see what we can do. It's not a must you give anything. Words of encouragement to people who are listening, who are facing this kind of trouble right now. The numbers once again 0094 44 1035 or 009666 1035. And the Bible says, now Oboro sonani kamadu si adendo. Oboro sonani kamadu si adendo. That is, even the knowledge of the word of God. If these people don't get to schools, how do they get the knowledge of the word of God? If someone cannot really buy it or read. Yes, I know people are breaking that bounds. Some people are doing it, you know, read the Bible even without being in the four walls of a school. Yes, but when you are doing this, you are enabling someone to know how to get access to the word of God. That's what we have come to do, to help our out-of-school children get back to school. It must be done. So the Kogi State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Wemi Jones, recently called on stakeholders to find a lasting solution to the problem. Jones said, if the rate of out-of-school children can be curtailed, it will help check insecurity that is currently bedeviling the country. So we have a responsibility, you and me. We don't just have to sit back, because if I have said this and said, okay, oh yeah, everybody, if you know what to tell the government, everybody will call in now and start, you know, ransacking the government, telling them this, that one. But now it is now following on us, and everybody is silent. You know, remember that sin is by omission or by commission. This is my part. I am doing it. What's up with you? Are you going to do your part?